Welcome to 425 Wood Street, Fort Collins, Colorado. This property is the prime example of modern architectural meets serenity. It's located just south of the Poudre River Trail, where it accesses cycling and hiking. It's also just a few blocks west of Old Town Fort Collins, where you can enjoy wonderful dinners, art galleries, and vibrant nightlife. The property is located on an 8,000 square foot lot with mature landscaping and over 300 square feet of private balconies and patios. It's great for indoor and outdoor entertaining all year long. With over 1,500 finished square feet in the basement, it offers many an opportunity to visit and entertain with family and friends. Whether you're behind the bar with its custom cabinetry, concrete work, countertops, and lighting, the basement also features 2 secluded bedrooms, each with their own bathroom. This is one example of great flex space, whether you do it for exercising, card tables, or just quiet areas for reading. One of 3 balconies, all south and east facing. Wonderful southern exposure, both in the early morning for your coffee and evening entertaining. All nestled among mature landscaping with private access from the front and the rear of the house in a fully fenced yard. This property offers alley access parking and an oversized 588 square foot garage. I invite you to take a personal tour of this unique property with its wonderful blend of modern architectural and tranquility. I hope that you call 425 Wood Street home.